All right. So, towards the end of the PowerPoint presentation, we looked at a cost of goods sold budget. All right. So now we're going to actually prepare our own cost of goods sold budget for Sleep Tight. And I think between doing this exercise and then the example that we have in the PowerPoint video lecture, I think we can get this concept down. Okay. So let's see here what we have here. It says Sleep Tight manufacturers. I'm right up here. Sleep Tight manufacturers comforters. The estimated inventories on January 1st for finished goods, work in process, and materials were $39,000, $33,000, and $27,000 respectively. Okay. The desired ending inventories on December 31st for finished goods, work in process, and materials were $42,000, $35,000, and $21,000 respectively. Further, direct material purchases were $575,000. Direct labor cost $212,000 for the year, and factory overhead was $156,000. Prepare a cost of goods sold budget for Sleep Tight Incorporated. Okay, so we have a lot of these numbers that we're going to need, and then we can use a calculator and get the numbers that we do not have. So let's just go right back up here to the start. It says finished goods was $39,000. Let's just go ahead and plot that right here. 39,000 tells us work in process for the year at the beginning of the year was, let's see, 33,000. Okay. And it says materials started off on January the 1st, $27,000. Okay. Further, it gave us direct materials purchases as $575,000. Hopefully you can read that. I shrunk this down so that I could get the entire thing on the screen at once, and so I may have a little bit of a hard time being able to see it, but that says, I'm actually going to erase that and write it down again. 575,000. Hopefully that's a little bit better. Okay, what else? Let's see here. Cost of direct materials available for use. Okay, so we started off with $27,000 and then we purchased $575,000. So we're just going to add those two numbers together, and that's going to give us $602,000 available for use. Okay. It says less direct materials inventory on December the 31st. Let's see here. Direct materials. Okay, so finished goods, work materials. So that would be 21,000. Cost of direct materials placed in production. So this 21,000 here is not placed in production because it's going to be part of ending materials inventory. So if we calculate that out, we come up with $581,000. Next item is direct labor that was given to us as $212,000. And factory overhead was provided $156,000. All right. So it says total manufacturing costs. If we add 581,000 plus 212,000, we should come up with, I came up with $949,000. $949,000. Okay. All right, so total work in process during the period. We're going to take this 949,000, we're going to add to it our beginning 33,000, and if we do that, that should come up to $982,000. 982. Try to make that a little bit darker. Then we're going to subtract out work in process inventory December the 31st, and I will be honest, I don't remember what that was. December 31st. So 35,000. Okay. Cost of goods manufactured is going to simply be the 982,000 minus the 35,000. And we're going to plot that over here. Okay. Says cost of finished goods available for sale would be the cost of goods manufactured plus our finished goods that we had already completed at the beginning of the year. Okay, so $986,000. Less finished goods inventory on December the 31st. Finished goods was 42,000. So then if we just simply subtract 42,000 from 986,000, we should come with $944,000 as our cost of goods sold for the year. All right, that's the last handout for slides 13 through 31. At least I think it's 13 through 31. 13, 1, 32, somewhere around in there. Figure it out.